Christmas counting fun. Let's have some Christmas counting fun. Are you ready? Okay. How many Christmas bears do you see? Now take your time counting. Yes, there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's time for a snowball battle. How many flying snowballs do you see? Just count the flying snowballs, please. Did you count them? Yes. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here are the animals. How many do you see here? Yes, there are 4 animals in the snow. The Christmas parade is here. Some of the cars are coming down the street. How many cars do you see driving by? Correct. 3 parade cars. All aboard the Santa train. How many train cars do you see here? You are correct. 3 train cars. 1, 2, 3. How many boy Christmas carolers do you see singing? Yes, there are 5. Now, how many girl Christmas carolers do you see? Yes, there are 6. The Christmas tree trucks are out delivering Christmas trees. How many do you see here? Yes, 4 Christmas tree trucks. Christmas is also time for ice skating. So how many ice skaters do you see here? there are 6. Christmas cookies are the perfect holiday treat. How many Christmas tree cookies are here? Yes, there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about the snow-covered trees? How many are there? You are correct, friend. 3. 1, 2, 3. The Christmas trees are ready to be cut. How many gold and white Christmas trees do you see here? You are correct, friend. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pink Christmas trees do you see in the forest? Yes, 5. Thank you for all of this counting fun during Christmas, friends. Have a safe, wonderful, and joyous Merry Christmas.